Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to be using Wikipedia to search some information about Bill Gates. Now this is very easy, but before we start, just make sure you have your Wikipedia library installed on your computer. To do this, let's just open a new terminal. So to install Wikipedia, you're going to type page 3, install Wikipedia. Now this should write requirement already satisfied for me. That's because I already have Wikipedia installed. But if you don't have Wikipedia installed, please make sure you install it using pip 3 install Wikipedia. But if you're on a Windows, type pip install Wikipedia. Now, for us to do this, we have to import the Wikipedia library. And then let's specify the information we're going to be getting about Bill Gates. Let's specify it into a variable. Let's name the variable information. Let's say is equals to Wikipedia dot summary Bill Gates. It's as easy as this. Bill Gates. Now we already have all the information about Bill Gates into this information variable. Now let's print that out. Let's say print information. Information. And when we print this, it's going to print us some information about Bill Gates, a bunch of text actually. Now I don't know why it is. Okay, now as you can see, once it ran this test.py file, it says Williams Henry Gates, born October 28, 1955, is an American businessman, Gates software developer and future enterprise. It's basically giving us a summary of the information we need to know about Bill Gates. Now, if anyone does not know about Bill Gates and just runs this code, once it reads this summary, at least you will have an idea of who Bill Gates is. That's what I just wanted to show you guys in this video, how to search some information from Wikipedia. This is not only accessible to Bill Gates, you can search for anything. Let's say you can search for Google, Microsoft, you can search for Nigeria, you can search for any country, anything that you can search on the Wikipedia website, you can use this code to search for it. I hope you learned something today. If you did, please don't forget to smash the like button and please subscribe and press the bell notification button so you get notified when I drop new videos. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.